I'm the director at Urban Community Projects, and we run an emergency food bank based at the Living Centre in King's Cross. Over the last 18 weeks, we have seen a phenomenal increase in people in crisis locally that need access to food. We're also supporting 60 families at Edith Neville School. And it was interesting you speaking about half term, because we provided food to them throughout the whole of the 6 weeks summer holiday, and we will be providing food to them during this up and coming half term. So that's our commitment to the school. No matter what, we will ensure that those 60 families get food. Because I haven't got a lot of time, I want to give you a couple of headline figures that I think are really important. So as I said, in the last 18 weeks since we've been running our emergency food bank service, we've supported 1,437 people. I'll put that in context. Last year, for the whole of 2019, we supported 482 people. So that is the real impact of COVID-19 in this pandemic. Another really important stat is 403 of those nearly 1,500 people have lost their job as a direct result of COVID. So we have 403 people that have accessed our food bank that are currently unemployed. Another crazy figure, 975 people that have accessed our food bank live in a home with more than one child. And I think if we take anything away from today's discussion, it's that stat. 975 people that accessed our food banks live in a home with more than one child. And that means food poverty really, really is real. It means that there are children in Camden really suffering. We wouldn't be able to survive without the support of our local volunteers that have really stepped up and done some amazing stuff. We didn't have a delivery service before COVID. 279 people have now had a delivery, and that is thanks to literally 2 local volunteers going out in the evening after they've done their day job, because they're working from home, and delivering 297 food parcels to really vulnerable people that can't leave the house. So they're either over 75 and they were shielding, they're either a single parent with young children that are self-isolating. I think that group gets missed out as well. You know, single parents with young dependents living at home, if they're asked to self-isolate, they can't get to a food bank. Our main issue has been having to purchase food. We've been running our food bank for 3 years, dependent on local donations. This is the first time we've ever had to purchase food. We've been really lucky. Philip at Camden Council, Francis at Camden Council, Ali, who connected the dots right at the beginning, have been incredible. And as I said, our local community, STCA, the Living Centre, and their staff have been wonderful support as well. So I just wanted to say that.
Thank you, Rasheeda.